Well, some serious new concerns about Obamacare as the law's fine print reveals millions of people newly qualified to receive so-called free health care under Medicaid may be on the hook for every dime after they die. Dan Springer is live in Seattle with a story that might surprise you. Dan?
Yeah, it sure will, John. It's called estate recovery, and it's been around since Congress passed a law way back in 1993 when states were frankly going broke over the rising Medicaid costs. But now under Obamacare, there will be many more people affected. 6 million more people are eligible for Medicaid. Many of them own a home and may even have other assets. States are allowed to keep a running tab on all your Medicaid bills from age 55 to 64, and after your death can attach a lien on your estate.
I think that people are maybe in for a shock when they find out that their heirs are going to be paying for care that they didn't even use because they got into a system under false pretenses.
Now, the amount of money we're talking about could be huge. In 2004, states collected $361 million through estate recovery. $44 million of that was in California alone. Now, under Obamacare, the Golden State is expecting 1 to 2 million more people in its Medicaid program. And it's going to continue the practice of collecting as much as it's allowed by law. And unlike in the past, when most Medicaid recipients were poor and/or disabled, we're finding plenty of people who have serious assets but not a high income. One guy here in the Seattle area told us he wants no part of Medicaid.
I did not want to be on Medicaid because it's supposed to be a safety net program. It's not supposed to be for somebody who has assets that can pay the bill. I used to pay the bill. I didn't want money from the government for that.
And get this, we also found a couple in their 60s that got married to stay out of Medicaid. Individually, they qualified, but their combined income allowed them to buy a plan on the exchange. Why'd they do it? Well, the woman owns a home and wants to will it to her children free and clear from Uncle Sam. John?
So you get death and taxes, and then taxes after death.
After death, yeah, you got it.
Only this government could concoct something like that. Dan Springer, thank you.
Yep.